2019 RAV4. See that? You twist it and you pick it up. That's how you remove that. You remove the whole thing. And the same thing over there. That one you twist and pick up. See? That's how you remove it. And this is how you install it. That's how you install it. That's how you remove and install the floor mats on a 2019 Ravioli. And then the floor mats in the back seat. It's really dark, so I mean, yeah, the back floor mat takes up the entire back. That's really cool. I like that it goes over the middle. I mean, that's a really, really good idea. They were really thinking when they made this one. Like, really thinking. It covers the whole entire seat back there. See that? And then it's even back here. That's a floor mat right there on the back of the back seat. It's Velcro. That's like a child seat thing right there. Anyway, that's cool. The entire back seat has that. That's really cool. So that's the floor mats. Here's the floor mats. This isn't not for cars or whatever, but car mats are cool. I got old car mats over here. They smell like oil, so I stopped using them. They're right there. Yeah, those car mats, they smell like oil, so I stopped using them. But anyway, this is a 2019 Toyota RAV4. Yeah, it's really cool. I say Ravioli because it really is RAV4. So you got the RAV, and there's 4 letters left. See, RAV4, four letters left. I-O. Oh, it is the same. This is a 2018. That twist. It's the same thing. All right, how to buckle a seatbelt. So you get in your vehicle. Up here is your seatbelt. So you find this part right here. And down here, you want to click it. Remember, click it or tick it. You push it down in there. And then there you go. To release it, you press down. And it goes back up. Alright, that's how you buckle a seatbelt. This particular vehicular transportation is a 2019 Toyota RAV4. But all vehicles are the same when it comes to seatbelts. When the seatbelts first came out, a lot of people didn't want to buckle up, and they learned the hard way. But anyway, some people didn't learn the hard way, and they just kind of lived. But anyway, they lived the easy way. Some people still don't like to buckle up, but buckling up's fun. It's just a habit, and you get into the habit. And once you get into the habit, it's good times. 2019 RAV4, and that's the steering wheel. And just chilling in the car waiting. It's really warm in here. It's probably like, I don't know, 85 degrees inside the car, 90 degrees. But it's a dry heat. So it's tolerable. Actually feels kind of like a sauna. It feels pretty good. But yes, the 2019 RAV4. I'm getting ready to get in a 2018 RAV4. And but the video here is the mats, the floor mats. Now the back floor mat is this big old floor mat here. It takes up the entire. I like it because it goes over the middle part too. Not only does it's on the sides, but it comes over the middle too, so it's one giant mat. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Okay, here she comes. Alright. Alright, this is another Mad Human Pizza video. It's a 2019 RAV4, and I put a bunch of dimes right here, dimes and nickels. All the silver is right here. This is where I got all the silver. And there are like tails, heads. Anyway, I got all the silver right here. And then it has this, the shift has this cover over top, and it's stitched. On this, the 2019, they like the stitch. I don't know if it's real stitch or fake stitch, but that goes all the way over there, and there's stitching here. So it's just, I don't know, I don't even use this right here because I got Bluetooth. But yeah, so I'm just waiting to go to my girlfriend to get done getting ready, and she got her kid. We're gonna take her kid to her mom's, and then we're going to go to the mall, M-A-L-L, the mall, and I want to eat the chicken. I don't want to say the chain restaurant name, but it's really good. They're not open on Sundays. It's really good. We'll get the chicken sandwich and the fries and the drink, ketchup, yeah, it's gonna be delicious. And then from there, we're gonna watch a movie, 2 o'clock movie. So a matinee. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah. But this is a anyway. Alright, she's gonna pump gas here. She's gotta pay for the money first. See, I got that one. The annoying influencers out there that are always recording when
they're recording everything,
like California.
One of those annoying.
Alright, we're in a 2018 Toyota RAV4. We're pumping gas, and influencer, just recording everything, looking around, all sorts of characters just going about their days, pumping their fossil fuel, pumping their refined fossil fuels into their vehicles, and yeah, eventually it'll all be electric. Fossil fuel cars right now are practically all electric anyway, because you got the computer systems, you already got a battery alternator, and all the wiring and all the CPUs. It's analog brakes. It's all electronics. It's pretty much electric anyway. But eventually you'll have the batteries will get better, and actually they're pretty good in the Teslas right now. So they're a lot better than the dinosaur cars. But right now you have these legacy big fossil fuel companies that are making inferior electric car lines on purpose. So it makes electric cars look bad, so they can continue to have their monopolies on the petrol industry. But that'll all come to an end soon, because electric's better. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Let me do that again. Come on. We got this, don't worry. Oh, no wonder I'm not using a pick. I keep scratching my finger. Yeah, the floor mats of a 2019 Toyota RAV4. See, messed up my cutting into my finger right there. I need to figure out how to do this without doing that. Trying to get that sound. There we go. Jam session. Yeah. Oh man. All right, let's. Yeah, 2019 Toyota RAV4 floor mats. Remove, install.